In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Reddit post as a brand affiliate. This is a simple but important step if you're working with brands and want to stay transparent with your audience while following Reddit's rules. Let's start with the basic idea. When you mark a post as a brand affiliate, you're telling Reddit and other users that your content is connected to a brand in some way. Maybe you're being paid, maybe you received a free product, or maybe you have an ongoing partnership. Marking the post correctly helps build trust and can also protect you from having your content removed for not disclosing a relationship. First, open Reddit and navigate to the post that you want to mark as a brand affiliate. This can be a post you just created or an older post that you now need to label properly. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that the post actually belongs to you, since you can only change settings on your own posts. Once you're on the post page, look for the small icon that shows 3 dots in a row. Depending on your device, this might be near the top right of the post or under a menu labeled More Options. These 3 dots are where Reddit keeps additional actions and settings that don't appear right on the main screen. Click on the 3 dots to open the menu. Take a moment to glance through the options so you know what's available for future use as well. But for now, focus on the one that says Mark as Brand Affiliate. This option might be near other tools like Edit Post, Share, or Delete, so read carefully to make sure you're selecting the right one. Now, click on Mark as Brand Affiliate. Reddit may update the label instantly, or you might see a quick confirmation indicator. After you do this, your post should now be flagged as brand affiliated content. This tells viewers that there is a brand relationship involved, and it signals to moderators and the platform that you are being honest and upfront. It's a good habit to double check your post after you've changed the setting. Refresh the page or revisit the post and make sure the brand affiliate label is visible. If it isn't, try repeating the process or check whether the subreddit you're posting in has its own rules or limitations on this feature. By taking these few seconds to mark your Reddit post as a brand affiliate, you're keeping your content compliant, protecting your reputation, and giving your audience the transparency they deserve.